Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to blur video background in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your device. Click on the plus button to create a new project. As you can see, the background of my video isn't blurred, so what I have to do is to add a blur effect over the whole video. So click on Effects. Then Video Effects. Select the blur right here and click one more time on the Adjust if you want, to make your blur weaker or stronger. When you adjust these settings, select the blur effect layer and drag it over the whole video. Add overlay. When you do all these steps, then you have to click on the overlay button and add overlay. This will open our photo gallery, so we have to add the original video one more time. As you can see here, the original video is a little bit smaller than our frame. What we need to do is to pinch to zoom like we zoom on our videos and photos in the photo gallery. So pinch to zoom and make the second video a little bit bigger than the frame. This will give a better effect for our finished video, and it will make the blur look better. Make sure that the first video and second video start at the same time, and the most important step for this process is to select the second video. Right here, scroll down until you see a cutout button. Select it and then tap on Remove Background. CapCut will now remove the background of our video, so wait a couple of seconds or minutes depending on the size of your video. When CapCut removes the background, you will be left with the blurred video background and the person will be in focus. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.